Hello student, for this question, this is the free body diagram for this question, okay, where Fg is what? Fg is force acting on magnet, force acting on magnet due to gravity, due to gravity, okay. This is the value of what? This is what Fg is, okay. Now, here that the normal force Fn vector, this will be equals to what? This is equals to G vector. Okay. So this is clear to you that this Fn force is equals to what? Fg force. Okay. Now what is the Fnb? So Fnb is the magnetic force, is the magnetic force